Hello, our esteemed viewers. Welcome to this video on statistics, where we'll be looking at mean deviation of grouped data. Here is the problem we are going to be solving in this video. Below are the heights in centimeters of 40 people in a social group. Calculate the mean deviation of the distribution. We have the heights on the first column as intervals, and then the second column contains the frequency. In our solution, we are expected to calculate the mean of the distribution before we go ahead to calculate the mean deviation. The formula for mean is summation of fx over summation of f. That's sigma fx over sigma f. First, we calculate x, that is the mid value of the class interval, then followed by fx, so that we now have additional columns to be x and fx. Now x, which is the mid value of the class interval, needs to be calculated for each of the class intervals. To do that, we add the lower class interval to the upper class interval and then divide the sum by 2. 135 plus 144 divided by 2 gives 139.5. 145 plus 154 divided by 2 gives 149.5. 155 plus 164 divided by 2 gives 159.5. 165 plus 174 divided by 2 gives 169.5. 175 plus 184 divided by 2 gives 179.5. 185 plus 194 divided by 2 gives 189.5. We then go to the next column, where we'll be multiplying the frequency by the mid value. For the first class, we have 4 times 139.5, which gives 558. 5 times 149.5 gives 747.5. 8 times 159.5 gives 1276. 14 times 169.5 gives 2373. 6 times 179.5 gives 1077, and 3 times 189.5 gives 568.5. We then go ahead to sum up the frequency, which is this sigma f, and then sigma fx, we sum up this column. 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 14 plus 6 plus 3 gives 40. And then 558 plus 747.5 plus 1276 plus 2373 plus 1077 plus 568.5 gives 6600. Substituting into this formula, we have 6600 divided by 40, and that gives 165. That represents the mean of this distribution. We can then go ahead to calculate the mean deviation. The formula for mean deviation is sigma f into absolute value of x minus x bar over sigma f. Remember this absolute value. So we go ahead again to create more columns. First, we start with x minus x bar, that is the mid value minus the mean. That x bar means the mean as indicated here. So 135.5 minus 165 gives negative 25.5. 149.5 minus 165 gives negative 15.5. 159.5 minus 165 gives negative 5.5. 169.5 minus 165 gives 4.5. 179.5 minus 165 gives 14.5. 189.5 minus 165 gives 24.5. And still coming back to our formula, we need to find the absolute value of this column. The absolute value means all the negative values should be returned positive. So the absolute value, look at the absolute value symbol there. It means we are removing the negative in this, giving us 25.5. remove the negative in this 15.5, remove the negative in this 5.5, and those ones with positive sign will still be maintained as positive. That is what we mean by the absolute value. Then the last column is to multiply the frequency, which is this, by the absolute value of x minus x bar, so that 4 times 25.5 gives 102, 5 times 15.5 gives 77.5, 8 times 5.5 gives 44, 14 times 4.5 gives 63, 6 times 14.5 gives 87, 3 times 24.5 gives 73.5. So with this, we are going to be summing up this last column, which represents sigma f absolute value of x minus x bar. We are adding 102 to 77.5 to 44 to 63 to 87 to 73.5, and that gives 447. We substitute into the mean deviation formula. The numerator is 447 divided by the sigma f, which is 40. Inputting this in our calculator, we have 11.175 as the mean deviation of this distribution. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this. Please like and share. Also, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. See you in our next video. Bye for now.